Welcome, aviation enthusiasts and history buffs. Today, we are embarking on an exciting journey to the Tu-142 Aircraft Museum in Vizag, a place where the skies meet the sea. Situated on the picturesque shores of the Bay of Bengal, this museum is a testament to India's rich aviation heritage. Join me as we delve into the remarkable history of the Tu-142, a legendary aircraft that served the Indian Navy for decades. The star of this museum is none other than the Tu-142, a Soviet-built maritime reconnaissance aircraft that played a pivotal role in safeguarding India's maritime interests. With its distinctive four-engine turboprop design, the Tu-142 was a formidable force in the Indian Navy's arsenal, serving as the eyes in the sky for over 3 decades. Its sleek frame and powerful engines are a marvel of engineering, and standing in its shadow is an awe-inspiring experience. Apart from the Tu-142M, the museum houses several other aircraft, helicopters, and associated equipment, providing a comprehensive view of India's aviation heritage. The exhibits are meticulously maintained, offering visitors a close-up view of the intricate machinery that powered these marvels of engineering. What sets the Aircraft Museum in Visakhapatnam apart is its interactive displays and informative plaques, which offer insights into the technical aspects of aviation and the historical context in which these aircraft operated. This makes it an educational experience for visitors of all ages, fostering a deeper appreciation for the advances made in aviation over the years. Surrounded by the picturesque coastline of Visakhapatnam, the museum provides a stunning backdrop for visitors to explore the legacy of Indian aviation. It serves as a valuable resource for research, education, and inspiration, and stands as a fitting tribute to the men and women who contributed to the development and progress of aviation in India. The Aircraft Museum in Vizag is not just a collection of aircraft, but a living tribute to the spirit of innovation, courage, and ingenuity that has propelled India's aviation industry forward. In addition to its impressive collection of aircraft, The Aircraft Museum in Vishakhapatnam offers a range of engaging exhibits that delve into the history and evolution of aviation in India. Interactive displays showcase the various technological advancements and milestones achieved in the field of aerospace engineering. Visitors can learn about the evolution of aircraft design, the principles of aerodynamics, and the mechanics behind flight through hands-on exhibits and informative visual aids. Moreover, the museum provides a platform for aspiring aviators and students interested in pursuing careers in aerospace engineering or aviation. It serves as an educational hub, organizing workshops, seminars, and lectures to inspire and educate the next generation of aviation enthusiasts. This initiative helps bridge the gap between theory and practical application, offering a valuable learning experience for students and professionals alike. The Aircraft Museum also pays homage to the skilled pilots and dedicated ground crews who operated and maintained these aircraft. Photographs, personal artifacts, and stories of these individuals are displayed throughout the museum, providing a human touch to the otherwise mechanical nature of aviation. This personal connection adds depth and emotion to the exhibits, allowing visitors to appreciate the human effort and sacrifice behind each flying machine. The location of the museum on the beach road in Vishakhapatnam further enhances its appeal. With its stunning views of the Bay of Bengal, visitors can enjoy a leisurely stroll along the coastline before or after exploring the exhibits. The serene surroundings complement the high-energy world of aviation, creating a balanced and enjoyable experience for visitors of all interests. As we step inside the museum, we are transported back in time. The meticulously curated exhibits showcase the evolution of maritime aviation in India, from vintage aircraft models to interactive displays narrating the heroic tales of naval aviators. Visitors can even get a hands-on experience with flight simulators, offering a taste of what it was like to soar in the Tu-142. The Tu-142 Aircraft Museum stands as a testament to the dedication of those who worked tirelessly to preserve this piece of history. Through meticulous restoration efforts, the museum ensures that future generations can appreciate the legacy of the Tu-142 and the men and women who served aboard it. It's a living tribute to the valiant souls who patrolled our seas, safeguarding our nation. Visiting the Tu-142 Aircraft Museum in Vizag is an experience that's bound to leave you in awe. It's a place where history, technology, and natural beauty converge, offering a unique glimpse into India's maritime heritage. So, if you ever find yourself on the eastern coast of India, make sure to add this gem to your itinerary. Until next time, keep exploring, and as always, blue skies. Thank you for watching this video. We value your feedback, so please feel free to share your thoughts in the comments section. If you enjoyed the content, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and consider subscribing to our channel for more exciting updates.